Hey friends, welcome back to my channel where today we're going to be talking about low porosity hair, what it needs, how to care for it, and the secret to keeping your strands moisturized and thriving. Now, if you've been struggling with dryness, product buildup, or just not knowing what your hair exactly needs, stick around because I've got exactly what you need. So let's dive right in. So what is low porosity hair? This means that your hair cuticles are tightly packed together. So think of this as having a shield that makes it hard for moisture and product to penetrate. While this can sound like a good thing, it often means that your hair doesn't absorb hydration easily, and that's where the struggle begins. Some signs that you can tell if you have low porosity hair is that your hair takes a long time to dry after washing. Water tends to bead up on your hair instead of soaking in, and also products often sit on top of your strands, leaving your hair feeling greasy and weighed down. Now, if you're nodding along, don't worry, I've been there too. But the good thing is, with the right care and the products, your hair can flourish. Trust me, I've been through it all. Let's start with your wash routine because with low porosity hair, this step is very crucial. You need to be using a clarifying shampoo since our hair is more prone to product buildup. So this means that the products will sit on our hair cuticles. A clarifying shampoo will help remove all of that gunk off your hair. And you also need to stick to warm water as this opens up the hair cuticle, making it easier for moisture to penetrate. Deep conditioning is going to be your best friend, and here's why. This is a non-negotiable for low porosity hair. When using a deep conditioner with ingredients like honey, aloe vera, or glycerin, these are humectants that draw moisture into your hair. And to make your deep conditioner even more effective, apply it using heat. That heat is going to help lift those tight hair cuticles so that your deep conditioner can actually get inside of your hair and work its magic. A pro tip is to invest into a heating cap or a steamer. Your hair will thank you. I have a couple products linked in the description, so I will check those out. Moisturizing my low porosity hair has been the most difficult thing for me to do, but it's the most important. After washing and deep conditioning, it's time to lock in that moisture. So you can start with a water or water-based leave-in conditioner because water is going to be your best friend, especially with low porosity, especially when it's warm. You then need to choose a lightweight oil like argan, grapeseed, or sweet almond oil. You need to avoid heavy oils such as coconut oil, as those heavier oils can just sit on top of the surface of your hair, and this is what we want to avoid. Lastly, you need to seal everything in with your hair styler. Just remember that our hair loves lightweight products, so if you're going for a cream or a butter, just make sure that it's not too heavy for our hair. Now, let's talk about styling and maintenance for your low porosity hair. When it comes to styling, protective styles are a great option to lock in moisture and reduce manipulation on your hair. Think about mini twisties, braids, or even low tension buns. And just remember that you need to avoid a product overload. By having too many layers of products can cause product buildup. Keep your routine simple yet effective. And you need to refresh wisely. So in between your washes, opt for a light leave-in conditioner spray to keep your hair hydrated without weighing it down. Here are a few things to avoid when caring for your low porosity hair. You need to avoid skipping heat during your deep conditioning. This is key for penetration for your hair cuticles. You need to avoid products with protein in them. Low porosity hair is prone to protein sensitivity, so balance is everything. Not saying cut it out completely, but just be wary of your products that contain protein in them. If you have low porosity hair and you go into a protein overload, your curls will be weighed down, dry, and brittle, and extremely dehydrated. It's best to do a protein treatment every 1 to 2 months just to maintain that balance. Lastly, you need to avoid overloading your hair with heavy oils or butters, as, like I've been saying throughout this entire video, this can lead to more product buildup. A lot of people tend to stray away from actually caring for the low porosity hair because it's a lot of work. There's a bunch of do's, there's a bunch of don'ts, but if you remain patient and consistent, you will love your curls. So there you have it. This is your complete beginner's guide to caring for your low porosity hair. With a little patience, like I said, and the right routine, your hair can thrive and stay hydrated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more low porosity hair care tips. And go ahead and join the low porosity community. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to share your biggest challenge with low porosity hair because I would love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.